Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll walk you through your first steps inside your new water management platform. You will always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. To begin, head over to qatium.com in your browser and click on Sign In. Then, just follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Once signed in, you'll land on your personal workspace. Here you'll always see the networks you've created and those shared with you. You'll also find our demo network, called Magnetic Island. Go straight into it to start exploring. This is a map representing the current state of the Magnetic Island network. You can see the network's name, as well as different buttons that give you full control over the network display and functionalities. You can jump straight into pre-built views by selecting one of the work modes. The Network Versions panel allows you to compare your scenario with the current state of your network. Use the Network Elements and Network Levels panels to display or hide elements of your network. The Network Layers panel lets you add, remove, and categorize your network dataset. Use the Search plugin to locate a specific element. You can search by element ID or by address. From there, you can find nearby elements and get an overview or detailed information by hovering over or clicking on them. Navigate throughout the map with zoom in and out, tilt, and rotate the map, or switch to satellite view for enhanced exploration. You can pan to center and reset north as well. At the bottom of the screen, the timeline allows you to recreate past operations and prepare scenarios. Last but not least, on the right side of the screen, you'll also find all Qatium's basic plugins. You'll use them to perform scenarios and see valuable insights on your network. Use the Customer Pressure panel to see the pressure at different customer points. You can navigate to the minimum and maximum pressures by clicking on the hexagons in the panel. And filter by pressure range using the colored squares. Use the Flow panel to see the flow directions on the map. You can see the distribution of flow across the network as well as the total length of pipes within that flow range. Finally, use the Demand Spike panel to apply different demands and pressures on nodes and hydrants. All plugins included in your plan appear here. And the list may grow, as more and more plugins will be available in Qatium's marketplace. I hope I've helped you get started with Qatium. See you in the next video.